Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux on your school Chromebook. This gives you a containerized terminal. First, confirm your Chrome OS is up to date and you have permission from school admin. Then open Settings, find Developers or Linux Beta, and enable it. When prompted, choose a username and allocate disk space. 5 to 20 gigabytes is typical. Once done, the setup will download files and launch the terminal app. This is the first actionable step toward using the Linux shell. Once the terminal appears, update packages so you start from a stable base. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. You should install core tools like Git, Build Essential, curl, and a favorite editor with sudo apt install git build essential curl vim y. Make sure to enable shared folders or USB access in Chrome OS settings so files move between environments. Also configure font sizes and terminal preferences for readability. These tweaks make development comfortable and avoid permission surprises later. Now install the apps you need. Use apt for Debian packages, snap if available, or set up Flatpak for extra options. Create SSH keys for remote access with SSH keygen and export path edits to /. Profile so commands persist. If you require GUI apps, enable them and test. Some schools limit GPU access, so expect reduced performance. If something breaks, restart the Linux container from settings, or reset Linux only after backing up home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.